seen him go over there.
You see them?
Yeah, I see them.
They don't want to get out.
I got that fool. Yeah, he better be out.
I got one. Oh yeah, they're shooting over here. Who has their left?
Right there, you see the fool with the blue hoodie?
Who has their left?
In the middle. Like, left side. They have their power.
Oh shit, I shot off Zach. I shot at Zach right now. And they're flanking, they're flanking. Are you banned? Hit. What happened?
Right there. Oh, snap.
That's not him, that's banned. That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Well, he was coming from the other side.
Josh, do you see anybody? They're in the igloo. Fucking shoes. Yeah, I just got shoe tie. Let's go?
Go on the back.
Let's go? Let's go already?
I'll be back.
Who's there? Oh shit, scared the shit out of me. Where y'all? Igloo, behind the igloo. No, there's another one behind the igloo. What? Oh shit. Huh? Yeah, they're next to the igloo. In front of the igloo. Hey, he's in front of the igloo. There's one in front, there's one in back. Let's rush, let's rush. Let's rush, us.
Yeah, hey, that's okay.
Yes, homie. We're banned! Hey, nobody here. Friendly. Hey, there's nobody up. Let's go. Hey, Zach. There's nobody up. Let's go.
Move forward. No, they're shooting outside. They don't know we're here. You got anybody? Who's shooting?
Shit, there's a guy. There's a guy.
Hey, you. Come forward. And you gotta walk with me. You wanna cover my back?
Hey, who are you arguing with, Zach? I'll take him out for you. You want to rush him?
Everyone move forward.
Oh, hell no.
Here, you. Cover my back.
Hey, they're trying to get aggressive, fool. Can't get aggressive with us. They're in the tunnel. They're in the tunnel. They're inside that little bunker. I seen one. Hey, we need a pistol. You got a pistol? Come over here. What happened? Let me see. Let me hear. Now his shit gets fucked up. The motor keeps going up. We'll fix it after this game. It's our last game anyway. Hey, you got a pistol, Zach? You got a pistol? Josh, holster that shit and get that pistol. Hey, did he trade you? Oh, I'm about to say, damn. What the f? Hit! Where are we moving up from? You want to move up from the right? Let's go. Let's move up from the right.
There's a guy right here in this building that's right across.
Go.
Right there, right in that building.
Oh shit, hit. Surrender!
Oh, God.
Oh shit. Got him.